Just so you know, Lily's puppies are arguing over udders when she's got 9. She had 5 puppies, 9 udders. Oh, we're losing one. Come on, baby. This is the giant boy. He's like way bigger than the other ones. She might have left in there. I don't know. This is the only little girl right here. The other 4 are boys. We got 1 chocolate, 1 chocolate puppy. And Lily's still kind of tense and curled up, so I don't know if she's got another one in there. I've been trying to feel. These are all still wet and fresh out of the package here. And it's only chocolate. He's a boy. Lily, you did good. Yeah. I really want to get the 2 yellow ones out and put them side by side so you can see how big this guy is. He's a tank. And the other one's just kind of little like his dad. His dad's not real any bigger than Lily. This one yellow one is like way bigger than the other puppy.